Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Home Interiors. In this video, I am going to show you the open concept living space design ideas. The benefits of open floor plans are endless. An abundance of natural light, the illusion of more space, and even the convenience that comes along with entertaining. Almost everyone loves open concept spaces, where a singular space has multiple uses. And why would not they? Between giving hosts the ability to interact with their guests from the kitchen and allowing parents to easily keep an eye on the kids while they play. This type of layout has managed to become synonymous with modern sleekness and convenience. However, that's not to say it does not come with its own set of challenge. After all, without any walls to rely on, the responsibility for defining the space falls entirely on you. Too many. Knowing how and when to break up the space correctly feels surprisingly daunting. That's why we are here. We have uncovered the best tips and tricks for how to effectively design an open space concept. Keep them in mind as you plan out your layout, and we are sure your final product will look like it's straight out of a magazine or TV show. While we recommend having a plan in mind before diving into any design project, it's crucial when you are working with an open concept space. Before you can move on to the focusing on the room's aesthetics, you need to have a firm idea of the different ways you intend to use the space. The best way to do this is to create distinct groupings by function. Whether you need to combine a kitchen, dining area, and living space, or something else entirely, you should have an idea of where each grouping will be placed and how big it should be. When putting the space together, incorporate visual cues to help separate each of your groupings. Consider groupings each one with a distinct throw rug or arranging the furniture into individualized seating area. Don't forget the focal points. Open concept spaces may be a bit out of the norm, but they still need to adhere to traditional interior design principles. As usual, you will need to decide on focal point for the room. But here's the catch. These spaces need more than one. Each of the separated groupings needs its own focal point to help draw the eye. Pay attention to the negative space. One of the interior design's best kept secrets is that negative space, or the empty area around each element, is a crucial component of all successful layouts. This is especially true in open concept areas. For this reason, most open concept spaces are or the site of minimalism. You will want to stay away from allowing too much clutter in the room, since that can overwhelm the eye and blur the boundaries of your groupings. Instead, try to build your design around pieces that pull double duty by providing both functional and aesthetic value. It's also used for creating pathways around the room. When playing out your space, allow enough empty space for people to easily move between each area. Not only will this make the room significantly more usable, but it will be give the eye a chance to rest and refocus between each grouping. Keeping a consistent color scheme though throughout is the easiest way to do this, since you will likely to be covering a lot of square footage. We suggest sticking to shades that are easy on the eye. Choose a neutral to be your dominant color and then one or two bolder hues to add pops of visual interest. In addition to color, repeating similar prints, patterns, and textures in your accessories is a great way to pull everything together.